Hi, my name is Galvin from Vince Automotive Group. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your car breaks down and you don't know what to do? You don't know where to send your car to. So what do you usually do in these times? You probably call a friend. You know, your friend probably recommends you a workshop, and without knowing, you just send your car to the workshop, get it repaired. And at the end of the day, when the bill comes, you get a shock of life. Why so expensive? So at Vince Automotive Group, if you have chosen to lease your vehicle with us, you wouldn't be facing any of the problems said earlier. Why? Because first of all, we actually own and operate our own car workshops. So you know for sure when you encounter any car problems, you can come back to us directly. And the next most important thing is this: when your car breaks down, you come back for repairs, you know for sure that your car repairs are going to be absolutely free of charge. So this will ensure a very hassle-free process for you. So if you're keen to find out more about our car leasing packages, please feel free to drop by our showroom, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.